What up, though? Sneakers and Fitteds. I'm back with another unboxing. I was gonna wait, try to do one like every week, but I want to wear this particular hat this weekend. So it's from Lids HD. It's from their old fashioned pack. Haven't seen it in person, but let's go ahead and unbox it, and then I'm curious if it matches the shoes that I actually bought it for. So yeah, let's get into it. Not bad. Detroit Tigers, coked out, swinging cat, whatever you want to call it, swinging kitty. Again, 1971 All-Star game. I actually wasn't aware that this patch was on here, so that's kind of dope. We have like a rustic orange crown, almost like a peanut butter bill with like a mango UV. Question is, does it match? 1 second. Haven't worn these yet, but I'm planning on wearing them this weekend. I can get away with this, can I? Not bad. What y'all think? Y'all let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Is this a dope combo? Can I get away with this? Until next time, I appreciate y'all. Peace.